Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install required packages with the following command. After that, run the following command to download the HestiaCP installer. Make the script executable and execute it with the next commands. If you got the same error, check the existing group. You can list the existing groups on your server by running next command. After that, remove the existing group admin and rerun the installation script. The installer will prompt you to confirm service to install as Nginx, Apache, database and other. Enter a valid email address for administrative purpose and specify the hostname of your server. Once done, the installer will proceed to install and configure the services. It might take up to 15 minutes. Once the installation is complete, the terminal will display the credentials and the URLs to access the control panel. Open your web browser and navigate to your IP address with the next port. Log in with the provided credential admin user. After that, you need to secure the control panel, and now you can start work with the Hestia control panel. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.